Hello, I welcome you all back to today's lesson. Then we start multiplication of matrices. This is what we are starting, so let's make sure we follow this. We understand each and every concept that I'm going to do. So today we are just doing an introduction to multiplication of matrices. Let's see how we can multiply two matrices, different matrices. So before you learn how to multiply matrices, the first thing that you need to know is code. You need to understand the order of a matrix. You need to understand the order of a matrix. What is the order of a matrix? How do we come up with the order of a matrix? So let's say you are given a matrix. A is equal to 1, 2. It is like this. Then you are told to state the order of this matrix. So what is the order of this matrix? The order of this matrix, how do we get the order of a matrix? Row by column. This is what we get to do, and this is what you need to understand. So this is the formula we get: row by column. So rows are these which are like this. These lines which are like this. 1, 2, like this. Rows are like this. These are rows. Columns, they are like this. These are columns. Have you seen? So rows are like this. These are rows. Then columns, these are columns. Have you seen the way I'm illustrating? This is how you need to know. So how many rows are here? 1, 2. So this is 2 by how many columns? 1, just 1 like this. So this is a what? This is a 2 by 1 matrix. So that is the order of that matrix. That's how you get the order of that matrix. Let's say you are given this one. What if you are given this matrix? This is like this. This is how it is. You are given something like this. You are given this matrix. This is a matrix which you are given. Then you are told to state the order of a matrix. The same way I've started, that's the same way you need to start. So row by column. Even here you start by row. How many rows? 1, 2, 3. So this is a 3 by how many columns? 1, 2, 3. So this is a 3 by 3 matrix. This is how we get the order of a matrix. So the same procedures I'm doing, these are the same procedures that you need to get. These are the same procedures that you need to understand. So this is how you get the order of a matrix. So I want you to understand this, and I want you to get the necessary concept under this. This is the foundation, and everything that you'll be doing will be based on these same things that I've started. So hope you've seen how we get the order of a matrix. These are procedures that you need to understand. So now, how do you get to multiply a matrix? Let's say you are given two matrices. So let me say, let me put an example here. Let me put an example. So today's work is very simple, seeing that it's Friday. So what we are going to do is that, let's say you are given A, you are told that A is equal to 3140 and B is equal to 214 negative 1. That's what you are given. So the first question A, you are told to find. Question A, they are saying find the order of matrix. This is the question. Find the order of matrix B. Then question B, you are told to express. This is the question that telling you express AB as a single matrix. This is what you are given. So this is a question. This is our example 1. So let's focus on this example. How can we work out this? How can we answer this type of a question? So how do you answer such a question? This is very simple. So the first question is saying you are just told to state the order of this matrix. How can you state the order? So I'll write it here. You've seen the question. We are just stating the order of a matrix. Matrix B. So you say order. How many rows are here? 1, 2. How many rows? 2 by how many columns? 1, 2. So columns 2. So what is the order of matrix B? Matrix B is a 2 by 2 matrix. We've answered. That is your answer. It is a what? It is a 2 by 2 matrix. So these are the procedures that you need to do. These are some of the things that you need to put into consideration. So this is a 2 by 2 matrix. Then the other question is saying express AB as a single matrix. This is now what we are doing. This is where our main concentration should be. Expressing AB as a single matrix. In other words, what we are told is to multiply AB. This is what we are told. Where is your A? Our A is that one, which is 3, 1, 4, 0. You do that. You put your B here. What is your B? 2, 1, 4, negative 1. This is what we do. Then we multiply these two. These are two matrices. So when we multiply them, we come up with one matrix. So I want you to follow me properly. So follow me properly on this one. This is what we are going to do, and this is what you need to do. You say, how do we multiply row by column? You get a row. A row is here. This row, have you seen? You multiply it against this column that is there. So these will be multiplied by that. The first one with the first one. The second one with the second one. So what is going to happen is that these 3 will be multiplied with a 2. So what is 3 times 2? 6. You put your 6 there. You say plus. What is 4 times 1? It is 4. Plus is part of the formula. Just need to put it like that. So from here now, what's the other thing? What are we supposed to do? You get this same law, multiply it with that one which is there. So 3 times 4, it is 12. Plus 4 times negative 1, it is negative 4. You do that. You do this. You are done on top. You go down now. You get this one, multiply it with these 2. So first, start with this one. 1 times 2, it is 2. Plus 0 times 1, it is 0. You do that. This same law against that column. So you say 1 times 4, it is 4. Plus 0 times 1, it is 0. So finally, what is our answer? This is our answer. This is the answer that we are going to find. So I want you to get this answer. What is 4 plus 6? It is 10. So you put your 10 there. What is 2 plus 0? It is 2. What is 12 plus negative 4? This is what? 12. You multiply positive times negative. It is negative 4. So what is 12 minus 4? It is 8. 4 plus 0, it is 4. So finally, this is your answer. You've expressed AB as a single matrix. So this is what I had for you today. So let's make sure we practice through what we've learned. Let's make sure we practice through all these stuffs. So these are things you need to know. Let's make sure we understand this part very well. We know how to answer it. We know how to go about it. Let me now give you a simple exercise tonight that I want you to answer. A simple exercise that I want you to answer. So this one is very simple. Make sure you go through it. So the first one is given that this is what you're given that a is equal to 3, -1, -1, -2, and b is equal to -1, 0, -3, -2. This is what you're given. And c is equal to 1, 2, 3, 1, -1, 2. This is what we are given. This is what we are given. This is the data. First question, find, this is the first question, find the order of matrix C. Find the order of matrix C. Question B, express AB as a single, so as a single matrix. This is what I want you to answer. So let's answer this. Let's practice this. These are the questions, simple questions, which I believe you are able to answer them. So these are the questions. Let's see how we can answer this. Let's see how we can go about this. So these are simple questions. I believe you can answer them. I believe you can go about them. Thank you so much.